Good morning. Today I'm at Warner Brothers Movie World for a very special day. It's the special sneak peek preview of Scooby-Doo Spooky Coaster. I did get the chance to check out the soft opening and had a couple of rides on that, which was very fun. But some of the effects weren't working, which is to be expected during a soft opening. So hopefully everything will be up and running today and I'll be able to give my full final opinions, and I'm excited to share it all with you. Alright, we're on the way to Scooby-Doo Spooky Coaster 3.0 and the park is dead quiet, but very special walking around while it's all quiet and empty. I'm super excited to see if there's anything different since the soft opening yesterday. Alright, here we are in front of Scooby-Doo Spooky Coaster. There's like a billion content creators and influencers all battling over the shot at the entrance, and it's very funny. But it's looking good, it's looking really nice. They've done a great job with the paint. The sign looks awesome, the posters are all nice and clean looking, and I'm looking forward to sharing it with everyone. It's finally time to head inside. This big line, everyone's excited and doing Scooby-Doo impressions. Brody Coaster is here with his friends dressed as the Mystery Gang, which is awesome. I was kind of tempted to come dressed as Scooby-Doo, but I didn't want to disturb everyone, and it would have been really hot. One of the additions to this version is the test seat at the front of the ride, which is great, so you can see if you fit before you get on. And it's looking really nice and clean and fresh. That classic gesture design. We're finally inside the queue for Scooby-Doo Spooky Coaster, and it's nice and cool in here, nice and air-conditioned, and the theming is fantastic. The walls look really nice, the gargoyles, the movie screens, the knights in armor, the fountain of course, with all the mist. I love it. So we're still in the queue for Scooby. It's been like 30 minutes and I think they're having some technical issues today, which is good in one way because at least they can like iron out the kinks before the actual opening tomorrow. No worries. Thank you. Alright, so I just got off Scooby-Doo Spooky Coaster for the second time, and they let me film on the ride, which is pretty cool, using my camera. They had to like wrap my hand up with duct tape. And I didn't notice any changes since yesterday when I went on during the soft opening. I think today it's still technically under technical rehearsals, because now it's open to the public and people are going on and giving it a ride, but tomorrow is the official opening day. So I didn't notice anything different. Like I said, it's still a fun attraction. I'm impressed with the theming in the dark ride section and the queue, and it's great to see the return of some of the classic animatronics and effects. The lighting's fantastic, the music's really good. The main thing is the coaster section is just completely dark. There's nothing in there, there's no lasers or lights or anything. I don't know if that's going to change when it officially opens tomorrow or not. Hopefully it does. Other than that, I think it's still a fun ride. I'm not particularly surprised by anything. I'm just pleased that it's back again because it's such a good, solid attraction. I will be making a separate video on my full thoughts on Scooby-Doo Spooky Coaster 3.0, but in the meantime I want to give a huge thank you to Movie World for inviting me out to this special sneak peek preview. I had such a blast. It's fantastic to meet fellow creators and enjoy the long-awaited return of Scooby-Doo himself. During my visit, we were also invited to enjoy the Stars Terrace Breakfast with the Stars buffet experience, which was fantastic, and I'll release a separate video about that. Thank you again to Movie World for the invite, and thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, feel free to leave a like, a friendly comment, or subscribe for more. And let me know what you think about Scooby-Doo Spooky Coaster 3.0. Do you like the look of it? Are you a fan? Are you not a fan? Have you been on it already? Let me know down below in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Before we finish, I'd like to give a huge thank you to all the members and sponsors of Team YumYum for supporting my content. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.